All right, next up today, we got 3 boxes of Topps Baseball going out to AP. 2015 Bowman Inception, 2015 Topps Tribute, and 2015 Tier 1. Let's start off with the Tribute. Thanks again, AP. Good luck to you. I mean, do you really need the luck now? All right, where did you go? There you are. All right, first box, we have Mike Piazza, Matt Bumgarner, and die cut Roberto Alomar autograph. 1992 Blue Jays. That is numbered also 30 of 30. Is it the new video ones? It take up the whole screen. There you go, AP. All right, did you see the card at least? Okay. Or are you just messing around? There you go. All good? 30 of 30. All right, next up, Gregory Polanco, Ernie Banks, and a Robinson Cano jersey card, 34 of 50. Gregory Polanco out of 99, Michael Wacha, and an autograph of David Cone. And let me know if that auto's all right. If not, I'll send you the UPCs for that. Okay. I've seen much worse. All right, next up, Miguel Cabrera, Andrew McCutchen, and autograph of Dale Murphy. Numbered 189 of 189. Next up, Masahiro Tanaka, Justin Verlander, and Bat Relic, Roger Maris. Sweet, sweet, sweet relic. Roger Maris out of 75. All right, got Corey Kluber, Mike Trout. And final card, Paul Goldschmidt jersey, numbered 20 of 50. All right, nice box there, AP. What's next? Inception. All right. 2015 Inception. Man, gonna get a crowd in here for this Inception case break coming up after this. What's up with that? All right, first up, autograph jersey of C.J. Edwards. Next card, a redemption DJ Peterson autograph blue parallel. Pulled a autograph relic of his just on the last Inception break. Next up, autograph Michael Conforto, numbered 6 of 99. Next ones will give you an autograph of Max Pentecost. And final card, autograph Trey Turner. All right, moving on, next box, Topps Tier 1. Yes, wiped us out of that last case we had yesterday. All right, next up we have Aaron Sanchez autograph out of 399. Next up, Mike Matheny autograph, numbered out of 299. And final card, Mookie Betts jersey, numbered 164 of 399. All right, that concludes another break here with AP. Thanks once again.